Do you want to speak English from your first lesson? Keep watching my videos and practice a lot. I believe you can do it very easily. Dear viewers, welcome to Shafiq's English Corner. Today I'm going to show you another 5 new structures from basic level. So let's go. Today our first structure number 21. I'm surprised too. আমরা যখন কোনো কিছু শুনে দেখে বা করে অবাক হই তখন আমরা বলবো I'm surprised too. Let's go. I'm surprised to meet you here so early. I'm surprised to get such an opportunity. I'm surprised to see him behaving such rudely. I'm surprised to watch you on the TV screen. I'm surprised to see you dancing on the stage. I'm surprised to hear your failure again. I'm surprised to think what you want to do. Structure number 22. I'm surprised that এটা হচ্ছে যা ঘটে গেছে যা হয়ে গেছে তা দেখে বা তা শুনে অবাক হওয়া Let's see. I'm surprised that he's going to leave his parents at old home. I'm surprised that you live here alone. I'm surprised that she's hiding the truth. I'm surprised that she's so quarrelsome. I'm surprised that she can speak English like the English. I'm surprised that she is no more. And I'm surprised that you are the best boy in your class. Later, structure number 23. I'm ashamed too. অর্থাৎ কোনো কিছু করতে গিয়ে বা শুনে বা বলে বা দেখে লজ্জা পাওয়া বা লজ্জিত হওয়া I'm ashamed to make such a great mistake. I'm ashamed to make friendship with you. I'm ashamed to meet a man like you. I'm ashamed to find you checking my purse without my permission. I'm ashamed to cancel the program on the middle. I'm ashamed to participate in the contest with you. I'm ashamed to not come to the party on time. And I'm ashamed to misunderstand you again. Structure number 24. I'm ashamed that যা ঘটে গেছে বা যা হয়ে গেছে তা শুনে বা তার দিকে লজ্জিত হওয়া I'm ashamed that I slapped you unintentionally. I'm ashamed that she called me a fool before the public. I'm ashamed that my brother misguided you. I'm ashamed that I did not believe you. I'm ashamed that I failed to reach the finishing line. Again, I'm ashamed that I failed to reach the finishing line. I'm ashamed that I couldn't come to a decision about that. And finally, structure number 25. I'm too. এটা হচ্ছে simply যখন কিছু করার কথা ভাবি যা কিছু আমরা থিঙ্ক করি গেস করি বা প্ল্যান করি সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা বলবো I'm too. Let's see. I'm to leave you right now. আমি এখনই তোমাকে ছেড়ে চলে যাব I'm to talk to him about this. I'm to go home soon. I'm to buy a car for my daughter. I'm to learn English at Oxford. I'm to continue my study through hardship. I'm to be a little upset if he fails. And I'm to stop the game at this moment. তো আশা করছি পারবেন আপনারা আরো অনেক নতুন সেন্টেন্স বানিয়ে লিখুন এবং অনেক বেশি প্র্যাকটিস করুন ইনশাআল্লাহ পারবেন So if you want to get more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.